Here's everything we're bringing on a 2-week trip to Japan to cover CP+, shoot portraits, and film a documentary. My workhorse camera. This guy doesn't overheat, the battery is huge and lasts for hours. Always pack this guy, the Nikon Z9. Small, sharp, fast, nothing to complain about with this lens, Viltrox 35 1.8. My go-to lens for filming as well as indoor portraiture, 24 to 70 2.8. A beautiful lens that I wish Nikon made, 50 to 150 f2 Sony, and the Mega Dap adapter. Action camera and handle, and the Pocket Osmo. Action camera batteries, Z8 batteries in their charging case. On-camera flash, microphones, extension tubes for close-ups, F to C adapter, and an AFD adapter. 2 gigantic Anker battery packs. We need these guys for the special camera we're filming with on this trip, 3 V-mount batteries. For Atomos displays and some LED lighting, additional batteries. Color checker and light checker. Card reader and fast transfer cables. A whole bunch of adapters for LEDs and flashes to get them off camera. 2 memory card wallets with about 15 terabytes of CF Express B, both with AirTags. Lens wipes, business cards, DJI mic, adapter step-up rings, and my 16-inch MacBook Pro. That's bag number 1. First backpack. For a lot of the filming at the show, this will be the main camera on the go, Z8 with an external gyroscope. A great full-frame powered zoom lens for Nikon cinema use. This is the 28 to 135 f4. For video or photos when you're in tight places, the 14 to 30 f4S lens. External monitor. This guy is what we're currently filming with. It's a total beast, 6K global shutter, 16 stops at dynamic range. My videographer is in love with this thing. This is the Komodo X in Z mount, again with an external gyro. More external displays, more batteries, spare mics, a bunch of most used cables, extra memory cards, top handle, and a 14-inch MacBook Pro. Oh, and last but not least, Atomos Ultra Sync Blue for time coding the Nikons. Look over there. Bag number 2. Second backpack. This is 7 different LED packs of different sizes, from tiny to medium to full size, and an extra one that has a honeycomb grid. Camera straps, rocket blower, super fast transfer and charging cables, external recorder, SSD, toolbox, editing console, lens wipes, more business cards, and 24 terabytes of NVMe based SSD storage. That will get packed slightly nicer. These next things will all be packed into luggage inside individual bags. Tiny supports for LEDs and flashes on portrait shoots. Lightweight carbon fiber light stands. Baby monopod. Giant monopod. Baby tripod. Giant tripod. Giant ball head. Full-size gimbal head. Diffused LED panels. Love these things. A mobile teleprompter. Headphones, my videographer's charging accessories, my bag of charging accessories, my videographer's sling bag, and then my personal sling bag for the trip. Inside we have all the essentials, passport, headphones, fast charger, sunglasses, phone, yen, and travel cards, credit cards, and mobile battery pack. And I guess we'll make some space for our clothes and stuff too. All told, that's about 45 kilos worth of equipment, plus our actual luggage and, our personal effects. But trust me, every single piece here will be used multiple times throughout the shoot. Make sure you've subscribed and bing, turned on notifications to see all the videos we have coming from CP Plus, as well as the Nikon Museum and some fun portraits in the streets of Tokyo. Cheers guys, we'll see you soon.